Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I really hope you all are doing good. This reading is for Leos from May 2020 to December 2020. Let's see how will your next few months be. What are the energies that we see here in your coming few months? I'm going to read about your career and your love life both. Okay? Now Leos, this is for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs, and if you're a cross watcher, this will definitely resonate your Leo. But please keep in mind, in that case the energies will be interchangeable. All right, so I'll proceed with the career, Leos. As far as your career is concerned, Leos, I do feel that you are not seeing any growth in your career. You are stuck in a job, you are stuck in a business and you're not happy. You feel the income is same, you're not growing in the few years or in the last few months. You don't see your income growing, and you feel that the job is toxic, or you feel that the business is toxic. Things are not moving the way you expect them to. For few of them, you're going through some financial pressure. Maybe you have lost a job, or you left a job or a business, or you are thinking of starting something new. So we have an Ace of Swords here. So definitely you have an idea in your mind, and I feel the time is right for you to take action. So I feel that within the next few months you are definitely going to take some action. You're definitely going to start something new on your own. You may start a business, or you may look for a new job, something like this. You feel that you have invested a lot in a job and you're not getting the growth, you're not getting the payments, you're not getting the promotions, and you feel helpless, you feel stuck, you're not happy, Leo. Financially, you're not quite happy in your career at the moment, Leos. Though I see that you have family support, though I see that you have some kind of support with you financially, but you're not happy in your career. Yes, I also see that you will have enough support from your family, Leos. As far as your career is concerned, your finances are concerned, I do see that you have some kind of support in your life. Your family is there to support you. So you have that security with you, Leo, come what may. Alright, now for some of you, definitely Leos, for some of you, I feel that you'll have to learn to socialize. You're not willing to socialize. You don't go out. You have to meet people. You have to look for new opportunities. You have to look for new businesses, or you have to interact with people. You have to mingle, go out, meet friends. Okay, and the message for you, Leo, as far as your career is that you'll have to be social. Okay, you have to meet new people, you have to talk to them, look for opportunities, look for a new job offer, look for new businesses, work on it, because you already have an idea, you already have a plan. Some of you, you may have already started something new, and for some of you, yes, I feel that you're going to implement on a certain idea, or you're going to implement on a certain plan that you may have had in your mind. So yes, I do see that you're going to start something new in the next few months, Leos. Okay, now as far as your love life is concerned, Leos, I do feel that you are discontent, you're not happy in your relationship, you're bored in your relationship. You have to move on from somebody, but you're still stuck with that person. You are not willing to move away from that person. There is some relationship that is not serving you anymore. I do feel that there is some marriage that is going through a tough time, Leos. Okay, we have the Four of Wands, so definitely there is a marriage which is going through a tough time, and you may have differences of opinion, you may be having constant arguments, fights, a disconnect between two people. For some of you, I feel that you are going to end some relationship, you're going to move on from somebody in your life. I strongly see that some of you, you are going to go through a divorce this year, or you are going to end a relationship and move on. Certainly, for some of you, yes, you are in a third party situation. There is somebody else, Leos, in your life. So you are going to move out from this relationship. You're going to move out from a marriage or a relationship if you're dating this person, and you may start something new with this person that's there in your life. This is a third party situation, Leo, for you. You're not happy in your relationship, Leo. You're not happy. Though you love this person a lot, but you're not happy. There are some things that are destined for you, Leos. We have the star in reverse. We have a 4 of wands here. So there are something that is destined for you. So this endings that you may go through, Leos, this is destined for you. Okay? This is for some of you, not for all. Please keep that in mind. You are going to take a decision very soon, Leo. Very soon. In the next few months, I do feel that you're going to take a decision. You may walk out of a relationship or you may walk out of a marriage. Leos, I also feel that for some of you, you have a marriage waiting for you. There is somebody who has already entered your life. This can be a new person or somebody from your past. Or somebody from your past is going to come in your life very soon. For some of you, this is a new person. For some of you, this is somebody from your past and you have a soulmate connection with this person. A strong bond with this person. This person can be your ex also for some of you. So yes, Leos, as soon I feel that you are going to come out of this relationship and you are going to start a new relationship with this person. We have a marriage, we have a honeymoon in cards for you, we have marriage for you. But all this is going to take some time. I feel that this is a process which will happen in phases. All this is coming up for you in the next few months. So it may take 6 months, it may take 1 year. But I do feel, Leos, that you're going through a very difficult phase. Be careful if you are in a third party relationship. There are chances that your partner may come to know about that. See, there is something, Leos, we have a fool here. You're not willing to, you have to take a leap of faith, Leos. You have to take a leap of faith. Know that whatever is happening for your own good. See, you're not happy in your relationship. You feel discontent, you feel bored, you feel that your relationship has lost the spark. I feel that you will come to know some things, Leos. So there will be some revelations in your relationship. Heavy energies, Leos. So whatever is happening as per the divine will. So if you are ending a relationship, that is happening because it is destined to. Okay, so just don't lose hope, don't lose faith, because I do feel that there is a new person who has already entered in your life, because I do see some of you in a third party situation. You already have somebody who has been sent to help you, help you in this difficult phase. Or for some of you, I do feel that someone else who is coming in your life. This can be, as I said, somebody from your past. It can be a long lost friend, a person you may meet after few years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Doesn't matter. So yes, see, all the things are stuck, Leo. See, unless you come out of this energies, how can you enter this energy? I feel that you are going to leave someone and move towards this third party that you have been with, or you know somebody else. So yes, for sure you're going to move out of this relationship and move towards a new relationship. Okay, and this is all happening as per the divine will. So you don't have to lose hope, you don't have to lose faith. I feel that you're thinking a lot. You don't want to lose this person in your life. You don't want to lose this person you are married to. You don't want to lose this person you were married to. You don't want to end this relationship with your husband or your wife. But somehow, you're not happy in this relationship. See, you're discontent, you're bored. And it is a part of a divine will. Because we have the star here. It's all a part of a divine destiny. So Leos, lot of changes that are happening in your love life, in your personal life. But the good news is you are going to enter a new relationship. You are going to start a new life with somebody else. Some difficult decisions has to be taken. You may land up taking some difficult decisions. You'll have to be very careful, Leos. Okay. So let's see, Leos, what's coming. So let's see the overall energy as far as your love life is concerned. Let's see the overall energy for you. Let's see the overall energy for your love life. Let's see the overall energy for your love life. Okay, we have a 10 of Pentacles. Pentacles. Oh my God, and we have a Princess of Pentacles. With the 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment, Leos. Leos, the good thing for you is, in spite of going through this hard, difficult phase, the good thing that I see for you is that you are going to enter a new life. There is something new that's starting for you, a new family, a new man who is waiting to offer you this cup, a new person who is going to fall in love with you, a new person who is going to propose to you. You may get married to this person, and this is going to be a wish fulfillment. This is going to be the man you always wished for, okay, or a woman that you wished for. So yes, I do see a new life starting for you, Leos. Okay, so you have to be happy. You don't have to be in the negative energy. You have to be positive. So whatever is happening as far as this next few months may be very difficult and heavy for you, Leos, but know that you have a bright future waiting for you ahead. Okay, you have this beautiful future. If you are a masculine energy, you have this new woman entering your life. If you are a feminine energy, you have your wish fulfillment here. So if you are a feminine energy, you have this man waiting for you, who is waiting to offer you this love, and all your wishes are going to come true, Leos, very soon. You have a new life, bright future. Some of you, you may plan a trip with this person as soon as the lockdown is over. I do see honeymoon for some of you in the next 8 months, because you are going to enter this new life. You are going to get married to someone new. Okay, you just have to take this leap of faith, Leos. All right. The difficult thing is that lot of negative energy in the next few months. Yes, there are heavy energies for you, Leos, but I'm seeing the bright side. I'm seeing what's coming up for you in the next few months. All right, so definitely a bright future waiting for Leos. Maybe this person has already entered your life, Leos. This man who loves you or this woman who loves you, they're already there in your life for some of you. Okay, so the energies that I prominently see in this reading is a Virgo, a Cancer, a Libra and a Sagittarius. Maybe these are the sun signs you may be dealing with. They are prominent in this reading. Alright, so I really hope, Leos, you enjoyed my reading, and if you did, I'd request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And also, if you want a personal reading from me, you can always visit my website jyotitarotreadings.com and you can book your readings there. Okay, so that is it, Leos. You take care. Bye.